stands for? Option A is correct, International Business Machines. A and dash contain information like text, image or music. Option B is correct, File. Data that changes continuously and cannot have discrete value is called. Option A is correct, Continuous data. Common method of internet access by user include. Option D is correct, all of these. Which is full form of Wi-Fi? Option A is correct, wireless fidelity. To search and view a web page, the software used is. Option C is correct, web browser. How can the risk of unauthorized computer system access to be reduced when connected to the internet? Option B is correct, by using a firewall. Which of the following is not a binary number? Option C is correct, 102. Dash maintains database of web pages containing information on a variety of topics. Option C is correct, search engines. Dash alignment is used in newspapers, magazine and novel. Option A is correct, full justification. In MS Word, while assigning a shortcut key to symbol, try to select a key combination that is. Option C is correct, unassigned to any other task. The display that the positioning of text, tab, margin, indents and other elements on the page. Option A is correct, ruler. Which of the following step is wrong to change the paper size? Option C is correct, with a left click select the desired paper size. This allows to enter new data at current position of cursor. Option C is correct, insertion mode. The distinguishing feature of a spreadsheet program is that it allows you. Option B is correct, perform calculation on data. Ready-made template are available under dash tab in now option. B is correct, file. In MS Excel on the insert tab include. Option A is correct, chart. Sorting can be done by. Option D is correct, all of these. Alphabetically, numerically, date and time. The content of two or more consecutive cells could be put together using. Option C is correct, merge cell. Word or art option exists in. Option B is correct, text. What are the effects that occur when you move from one slide to next during a PowerPoint presentation called? Option B is correct, slide transitions. In MS PowerPoint, slide master option is available in dash tab. Option C is correct, view tab. MS PowerPoint is an example of. Option A is correct, multimedia software. A file which contains ready-made styles that can be used for a presentation is called. Option C is correct, template. In MS Word 2016, which shortcut key is used to replace text or specific format? Option C is correct, Ctrl plus H. In MS Word, which shortcut key is used to center the selected line? Option B is correct, Ctrl plus E. In a Windows PC, Ctrl plus K is Microsoft PowerPoint is the shortcut for. Option D is correct, inserting a hyperlink. Shortcut key to switch to next window is. Option A is correct, Alt plus Tab. Which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph in MS Word? Option B is correct, Enter key. A computer virus is. Option D is correct, a computer program.